There's always something to learn. Jeffrey's been in the business almost 30 years. One of my main takeaways from this course is that clarity doesn't just happen. And so many things happen in the large organizations and large teams that there's a lot of faith or hope, you could even say, that things are going to work out. And our goal is to try and start putting scaffolding and tools around that to actually help ensure clarity is occurring.
It's not super wise to go and apply all the best practices that you read on the internet and go and try to implement those, but rather measure what you're doing first and then see what's applicable and what's most impactful.
So AI-driven development, I think, is going to be a huge booster to our software development capabilities because we're very lean. So doing the couple AI exercises that we did where we used Copilot built into Visual Studio to actually do something like fairly high level was very eye-opening and kind of getting our minds to start thinking out of the box of like, what can we do with this AI for us back home?
Doing something like this is incredible for one, the people attending, so that they can go back and understand how they can improve within their organization, and then talk to their people and say, hey, look, this is incredibly valuable, and we need to be operating like this, and to be able to help people succeed like that, I think, is the whole reason we're here.